Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, as you can see, Lexmark device. I have Lexmark NB2236i, but this manual is actual for every users of NB2200 series. And now I'm gonna show you how to insert a paper A4 in the first tray. So to do it, first you need to take out the tray, wait for it, and make the trader. And great, and as you can see, here we have a slot for the paper. But firstly, we need to make the tray wider for A4. As you can see, in this way, by pressing on this blue button, we can configure the wideness of our tray. So we need to make it wider. And here, as you can see, we have three types of lengths of the paper cards. We have LTR, A4 and LGL. Now I have selected LTR, but by pressing on this blue button, as you can see, by pressing on this blue button in this way, you can change it to A4. So press and change it to A4. Great! And now we can insert the A4 cards into our Lexmark printer. So insert the tray. And just insert the paper cards. Great. Insert the paper into the printer, and as you can see, use current settings, or if you need to change settings, so just change, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.